Brayden's driving us past Admiralty Point on the port side. And there's a nice little beach right over here. You can walk from Belcarra Park. It's only about a half hour, 40-minute walk down a really nice trail and come right to this beach here on the port side. Oh, and there's another seal off the port side. What do you think seals eat? What do you think seals eat? Yeah, they eat little fish, right? They'll also eat other things, but they try to stay away from anything that's too spiky, too spiny, because it hurts them. Okay, I see some wildlife humans. I see some humans off the starboard side. What kind of boat is that they're paddling? Are you sure that's a kayak, not a canoe?
Kayak.
How do you know it's a kayak, not a canoe? You're right, it's a kayak. And people go all around the oceans on kayaks and canoes and have for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, maybe even longer.